A ride in the 2019 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Genesis certified pre-owned vehicles are meticulously inspected by qualified Genesis technicians and come with a comprehensive Genesis CPO limited warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and a vehicle history report. Talk to your local Genesis dealer today to find out more.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.